Myself, Dr. Urpita Chatterjee. By profession, I am Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Barshat College, affiliated to West Bengal State University, Kolkata, West Bengal, India. I did my first PhD from Calcutta University in the field of molecular virology in the year 2008. After that, I did my second PhD from Rabindra Bharati University in the year 2017 in the field of dance movement therapy. I did Doctor of Science DSc honoris causa from CPU USA in the year 2020. I am member of governing body of Goburdanga Hindu College as University nominee of West Bengal State University. Professionally, I am also attached to Internal Complaint Committee of Women Harassment Cell in Workplace at 63 BN Shashastra Simabal, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. And beside this, I am Advisory Board Member and Ethical Committee Member of Barshat Cancer Research and Welfare Center, formerly Barshat Cancer Hospital, West Bengal. I am also Advisory Board Member of the Antioxidant Society of India, Advisory Board Member, ex-Coordinator and Visiting Lecturer of Performing Arts Therapy Center, Rabindra Bharati University, West Bengal, India. I am Educational Society member of Greenfield Convent School, West Bengal, Honorary Secretary of BSAGS, an international organization for researchers and professors, Honorary Principal and Secretary of Executive Committee of Ilura Kolamundir, an institute for dance, drama, culture and movement therapy. Till date, I have over 85 publications in my credit, including Journal of National and International Reputes, books, chapters, reports, gene bank, etc., and also acted as reviewer of different international journals. I am fortunate to receive many awards, including Innovative Research National Award 2021, Shevaratna Award 2020, Jibon Titi Shamman, Eminent Researcher Award, Global Eminence Award, Nobo Pratikrit Shamman, Sharodudip Shamman, and other national scholarship for different curriculums. Apart from these academic interests, I have expertise in dance movement therapy. I have over 20 years research experience in the field of dance movement therapy with various populations including cancer patients, old age problems, visual and hearing impaired children, drug addicted, special children having problems of autism, Down syndrome and mental retardation, physically disabled, school-phobic children, street children and slum boys and girls, corporate workers and administrative staff for stress management, also to other population in solving breathing problems and other health hazards, and also other psychosomatic diseases. Actually, from my childhood, I am a dancer. I observed that many people love dance and music and its positive effect on dancer and the viewers. With age, I understand that these dance movements can be a therapeutic one and in some way it can prevent many diseases. During my PhD from Calcutta University, I learned the basic background of immunology and understand that immune modulation can change a person's disease susceptibility. Then I started to relate my theoretical knowledge with practical application of dance movement therapy. The result was awesome, but the medical practitioners, doctors, scientists were not in a way to take the idea as alternate therapy. It again pushed me to find the scientific reason behind the positive effect. Keeping in view the paucity of reliable data in this field, my first approach was to generate wet lab-based practical data on the immunological responses of patients having different psychosomatic diseases, cancer, diabetes, stress, etc. But besides doing this scientific laboratory research, my objective was to award general people and society towards the positive effect of dance movement therapy, mainly to the virgin population where the where such type of concept is a very new one. I am trying to cover these parameters in my work to fulfill my core idea. I was focused and found some parameters like C-reactive protein, immunoglobulin, oxidative measurements, bone mineral density study, etc. and published my work in different national and international journals. So I am doing awareness generation, targeted therapy as well as doing research on wet laboratory based data to justify my research work in front of scientists and medical practitioners. In my opinion, it is a totally new, unique and different approach which will ultimately help the society to have a healthy life. Currently, I am working regularly with different populations as dance movement therapist and running successfully an organization named Ilora Kolamundir, an institute for dance, drama, culture and movement therapy as honorary president. I found such activity as my social responsibility to do something to the people in need. The message is dance movement therapy is very effective and it has a deep impact. It can affect the society and heal a person physically as well as psychologically. As an art form, it can be used as a catalyst to reform our society in a positive direction. In my previous study, I have already proved that this can solve many psychosomatic diseases in few or no medicine. If medical practitioners can prescribe these as alternate therapy, it will solve many problems like side effect of drugs taken by the patients, minimizing financial burden of the families having patients of cancer and other deadly diseases. Psychiatric problems can be solved in minimal dose. When I was a student, it was my good luck, my good fortune that I had association with few very good academicians who taught me the original lesson of life, not to be only an academically successful person, but to be a human to serve the society in every possible way you can. Determination, knowledge, and attitude are these parameters which can help anybody to work in this field for the betterment of the society. Keeping their valuable words in my mind, I chose to be a teacher in professional life so that I can carry their message to the future generation. Now I find that my teachers were the actual philosopher of life. They served their level best and taught students the actual value of education. Later, as an assistant professor and head of the Department of Botany of Parshad College, I tried my level best to contribute my students in the same way. And this message has also been helpful in my own life to become a dance movement therapist and also a true human. And now I can understand that if anyone wants to do anything good by heart, then no one can stop him or her to do so. Thank you so much. Namaskar.